Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and today I thought we would try on these beautiful YSL lipsticks. Now, I might have to pause this while I get these out of here. When Brooke and I were trying to look at them, we could not even get them all out of here, and I wanted to be able to show you these all in the package before. So I'm going to do that real quick. I have nothing on my lips right now, and then we'll be right back and try them on, and I'll try to go lightest to darkest, and so we can see them all. So I'll be right back. I didn't even put any earrings in, my goodness. Okay. So the first one is, like I said, $3.40. I wish they had names. So no lipstick, no lip liner, nothing. Oh my goodness, this is a cool color. Look how it has that sheen to it. That is beautiful. Here, let me zoom you in. I'm sitting in front of this window. I hope it doesn't. Isn't that beautiful? Just this blotterati thing, because I can see that I'm kind of shiny. This thing is awesome if you're like me and you don't want to keep on caking on powder. It works great. Okay, so there is number... I want to write them down. $3.40 is the first one. Okay, and here's just my naked lips. That's the bad thing about doing this, is sometimes, you know, your lips end up getting stained. Or not stained and kind of irritated. Okay, this is probably the one I would go to the most, and it is number 70. Number 70. Oh, they smell so good, and they're like going on like silk. You know I love YSL. Yeah, this one almost has like a little bit of a more slick formula. Beautiful. So that's just a very natural, rosy, my lips but better color. I would really like to wear it with Ideal, and it would jazz it up some, but it has a really good like silky shine, and it's not real heavy. It kind of has the formula almost like the Volupte. So that is number 70. Okay, then the next one is number 09. It's a little bit darker, but still in that same rosy family. Yeah, this one has a lot more pigment. This is more like their Rouge Pur. That is beautiful. I think this is my favorite one so far. Isn't that weird? Because I would have never picked this one. I would have picked one of those. But that is just gorgeous. Beautiful. Wow. This is it. Okay, this is something way out of my comfort zone. It looks like it's a little bit of an... it's really a beautiful color. It's kind of like a poppy color. It's got a little bit of pink, red, pinky red maybe. So let's see, and the number is 52. Gosh, that is gorgeous. Just goes to show you some of the things you might not be attracted to. That is really brightening. Now I can already tell I'm going to need to have a liner with this, and maybe really here. If you took your finger and really worked it in your lips. But it's so pigmented, it shows like where it's not covering my entire lips. But isn't that pretty? It's just beautiful. I would have never thought this with an all black outfit. Now, all black moto pants, boots, white t-shirt, and this, and barely any eye makeup would be perfect. Goodness, when I saw these, I was thinking there's not going to be many in here that I like, but I really love that one. It's number 52. Okay, now it's going to start getting tricky. because where I rubbed that in, it was hard to get off, especially like on my skin right here. But we are going to go on. So let's switch it up a little bit and go for this Fuchsia. And this is number 19. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Beautiful. Now this would look good with like a black dress, going to a Christmas party or something. Of course, it would look better if I had a lip liner on. Gorgeous. I'm going to end up keeping all of these. I was thinking, oh, I'm not going to like any of these. Okay, let's go to we've got 2 more. Okay, my lips are getting bigger by the minute because of getting irritated. Okay, so this one is like a true Christmassy red. The 2 I have left are 2 reds. This one's more like a Christmassy red. This one's a little bit darker. This is number 13. And it's like an orangey red. Gorgeous. I'm losing my good lip line because of all the different colors, but isn't that pretty? But these are statement lipsticks. That's what I can tell so far. They're all so pretty. Look at the sheen. See how they don't accent the lines or anything? I just love it. Okay. Now the very last one is a dark red, or like a more of a true red. Gosh, these are just gorgeous. Look at that. So red, red, red. I always had trouble with like the inside right here not having the color, but you hate to put it so close into your mouth. Love it. And that is number 01. So what do you think? They're so pretty. Thank you so much, YSL, for sending those to me. This is the Rouge Pur Couture Holiday Collection. So they're all Rouge Pur. Isn't that something? Because that second one felt almost like a Rouge Volupte, but they're all the Rouge Pur. So that means that they are very saturated in color. Oh, that's just gorgeous. And I know that doesn't go with this blouse, but it's kind of neat. The contrast is kind of neat. But so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I just wanted to give this the time and the attention that it deserves and show you all the different colors. So I hope you have a wonderful Saturday, and I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.